What's up, guys? Guess what day is this? Bottle box, a big one today. Sometimes they come small, sometimes huge. This time around it's very big. So let's see what it's about. What's up, guys? Guess what? What's up, guys? Guess what day it is? Bottle box day. Once a month a subscription box comes in for me. This time around is a big one. And what I do with this subscription box, I review them. I will go and scan every item on eBay and Amazon and see what they sell for. I pay $200 plus tax. They promising $340. So, like, you know, a really nice discount, and hopefully this time around it'll be a lot of good stuff. Let's put that to the side. Let's see what we'll find in here. Okay, first of all, we have right here a cup. I don't know about cup. What is this? Earth well. Cool. Your drink lives here. 16 ounces. I really don't know what to think about it. It looks like a regular mug without any handles. Doesn't have any top. I mean, it's cool. I guess I'll throw it in a house, but it's not really microwavable safe. So let's just take a picture of it on eBay. Whoa, what happens with my camera? Sometimes getting foggy. Let's try this again. Okay, so the way to look up the value in search camera. And yeah, good luck finding that. So well, let's give this a $10 mug. They're probably going to tell us it's more, but let's give them $10. So that's fair, right? Okay, let's see what next we have. Oh man, I do not like when they do that. Whenever they give us backpacks. This is one of those big duffel bags. Ooh, that's tough. Like, do you guys use duffel bags? I mean, some people like them. I don't really need them for any reason. Okay, let's see if it's on Amazon. Okay, starting out kind of slow, but I'm hoping they're going to give us, like last time, something more expensive. I can't find this bag, so we'll look it up later. I mean, how much is the bag? Like $50? Oh no, flex tail repellent. You know what I put to the test these things? The repellents sold separately. So far it is, I'm not getting really happy about that. Look at that, they don't even sell them on Amazon anymore. Let's see, nothing is sold on a major website. It kind of make you question, why is this products not sold on Amazon? Yeah, usually it's like you can scan it and it'll come up. Looks like with this one I have to type it in. Flex tail. Ah man, this is probably could be a last. There you go, flex tail, some cheap $29 items. I have put that to the test and I couldn't believe that they did not give us the refillers. I actually end up throwing one away because nobody gonna buy this, plus it's like a pound. Okay, yeah, refillers is going to go in here and they are sold separately, and it's really frustrating. So that's it. There's kind of like a heats it, and there's cartridges have to slide in here. I mean, it looks kind of cool, but I don't know about that one. There's better brands, and it should come with their fillers. The biggest disappointment that it doesn't come with their fillers. Oh no. The tool outdoors. They sold us a book over here. How much value are they wondering is in here? Okay, so far we opened up 4 items here and there's a bunch of nothing. Under $25 items. Hopefully get a little bit better. Oh, there you go, guys. There's a rubber band for that mug. How much mugs do you guys sell on eBay? Remember there used to be a thin mug life. You can't really sell mugs anymore on eBay. Okay, come on, get something good. Okay, we got right here $10 knife. Opinel is a really nice knife. But this side here, literally $10. It is a high quality knives, but very affordable, and that's why I love them. That's good, but it's only $10, maximum 20. Okay, this side here better be $300 item, because I paid $200 for this whole thing and I got a bunch of trash so far. This might be the last video of bottle box, and I'm going to unsubscribe. This item right here will determine, am I continue subscriber to bottle box? Am I continue making videos? Because I'm tired of making negative videos. I like positive videos, like monthly knife club is amazing. I love it. I have unsubscribed on multiple subscription boxes because they don't give us any good value. They give us a bunch of junk that doesn't even worth $320. You can buy all that stuff way cheaper. Okay, let's see. Can they do it? Okay, James Crown began making knives. Okay, so 1980s, so over 40 years experience, 45 years experience. Let's see, it looks like a machete. Custom knives could be really well, very valuable, but the knife maker need to be really famous. Like, you know, Microtech custom knives could be $5,000, $6,000, $10,000. There's knives very expensive. Okay, let's see. What kind of material is that? Will they tell us? That's a beautiful machete. Looks like a G10 handle, high quality steel. Okay, so this is kind of like a nice camping, cooking chopper machete, very lightweight. Oh wow, look at that. That's a perfectly balanced machete. It's like, you know what I mean? This is so comfortable to hold it. Let's see. Even back this way over here? No, like it has to be closer to right here. I got it for a second and I lost it. There you go, look at that. This is a perfectly balanced machete, even more this way. There you go. Amazing, look how big it is. And it's like a big enough handle, long enough blade, and it's perfect. That is incredible. I don't know if I have a piece of paper I could use. Let's see. I don't know if it works on the napkin. Yeah, it's kind of cutting it, not ripping it. The idea of piece of paper that is not going to rip, that's a little bit too thin. There you go. Oh wow, look at that. That is a nice sharp knife. Look at that, it's cutting it, not ripping. I pushed it too hard over there at the end. Okay, let's look this up because I'm pretty happy about this knife. Ooh, this is razor blade sharp, amazing, really nice sheath, the removable belt loop, high quality. Okay, let's look up this guy, give him a shout out, safety warning, whatever, because this is not really skewed item. I'll have to look it up. There is a chance this is going to be a pretty good value item right here. Okay guys, the first search from James Crowell knives is actually comes up on Arizona Custom Knives, and it's a same looking knife, really similar. So this is maybe a very famous person. I just don't know much about these knives. Is this okay? Looks like on his website bunch of stuff will be sold out. Is it his? Yeah, this is it. So some of his knives, look at that. Crowell Jim. Okay, this is Jim Crowell. We have James. So that'd be excitement. That would be very exciting if it was the James. They go James Crowell. This is Jim Crowell. Big difference. Would have been a very expensive knives. But let's try it. This is also Jim Crowell. What's up with all the similar last names? Crowell Jim. Okay. There's a Crowell. Okay, all they're saying it is $100 knife. It's not the same Corel. If it was a Jim Corel, this could have been $1,000 machete. Unfortunately, this is a James Corel, different guy. Amazing knife, nothing against him, but you know what, their name is not there. Unfortunately, it's only $100 knife. So between a bag, I do like it that they give us at least something for $100. But when I pay $200 for subscription box, I'm expecting a little bit more. I want to have at least one item for $200, and then another $140 that they offer of $380, $340 that they promise bunch of filler junk. You know what I mean? I don't see the value here of $340. Where is that little note? All I see is the value here for $100, maybe $110. The rest of the stuff is junk. You know, I like a Opinel, $10 at here, $20 maybe, and that $100 machete knife. This literally I have thrown it away because there is a way better brand for mosquito repellents that I use. And a backpack, man. Oof. Quality. So there's a little backpack. This is all that it comes with. Mission 19. So the Opinel 8. Very nice knife. This is super good. G10 handle, I was right. But the blade steel is 5CR stainless steel. If it was M390 steel, sure, it would have been a $500 knife. Because it's a materials would be amazing, you know. Or something like, not just some stainless steel blade. So, I mean, it is very nice, sharp tool, but I don't know about this materials. So there you go, Pro Plus, $200. I lost $100 something. So I think I'm done with that. This is my last subscription box from Bottle Box. That's enough. I keep trying and it's just not there. The value is just not there. I could probably find all these items for way cheaper. Like this one is like $40, but on Amazon it's like $29 on sale. So that's like $140 at here, maybe $150. How much is the backpack? Another $50. So we are $200. That bag, I wouldn't pay them that $100 for that bag. And a book, I hope they're not including $30 book, something I could buy at Goodwill for $3. You know what I mean? Most people like get rid of these books. You cannot even give it away books. There's so many books out there, thousands, millions of printed books, even on survival. Oh man, I don't even want to look it up. Let's see, let's try it. Let's give him benefit of the doubt. Let's see if it's a $200 bag. Let's do it. What do you say, duffel bag? Oh man, that's so disappointing. It is a $140 bag. It's so bulky. I mean, it's cool. There you go. That's a zap. That's kind of make up for itself. But I'm just maybe personally not excited about backpack myself. And it's not even a backpack. It's a duffel bag. So it is a mystery box. They might give you, they might stiff with anything you don't want. You know what I mean? Or give you, you know. So it's like what? I said that here, 150 on average, 150 plus 140. We are $290. They promising, well, plus another book right here. So they promising a little bit higher than that. It is what it is. Maybe they do just promising 300. I forgot. The moral of the story: I'm done paying $200 on stuff I don't want. Like again, why I'm subscribed to the different subscription box, like knife a month or monthly club for knives, because like you pay $200, you get one knife for $200 and another two knives or three gadgets for like $20-30. You know, you get your money back with that one item and plus a whole bunch of other stuff. I could resell those things and profit. This idea, they literally like, I don't even think it's a good deal. You're supposed to get this good deal subscription thing, but I don't see it. So I'm done. Last video from subscription box. I'm gonna go and subscribe. I'm sorry guys, I just don't want to make negative video, so I don't want to lie about it that they good, so I'll just go into unsubscribe. At this time I'm calling it, I'm done. There was subscription box. I tried and tried and tried. I'm done. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you next time.